In automation, every component is interconnected. Each part depends on the others and must communicate to function seamlessly. That's why it's essential for the connections to be truly strong and reliable. They need to be tight and robust to perform under any circumstance. Secure and resistant to leave no room for error. Highly performant and really practical, ensuring that the installation process is fast and easy. Because every seamless connection supports the heartbeat of your system. Whatever you need to connect, we have the solution. No matter the color, no matter the length, whether it's signal, data, or power. And if the solution doesn't exist yet, we'll make it for you. With so many options available, you are never left to navigate it alone. Our experts are always here for you, because our ultimate goal is to find the solution that is just right for you. Our system solution creates a world where everything works in perfect harmony. Every seamless impulse makes the difference between downtime and breakthrough productivity. Let's bring your machine to life with reliable connectors from Murrelektronik.